Hi, welcome to this Pen Publishing Interactive video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a redirect section in FlipperSD CMS. Let's get started. I'm already logged into my FlipperSD website here, and I have a fictitious coffee shop website that I just created for this demo. As you can see, we have all our sections or pages at the top. So what I'm going to be building is I'm going to create a new page or section or redirect section called markets that'll take me out or take my visitors out of my website into directly to NASDAQ's coffee prices, and so they can see the market charts there. So let's get started with that. I am in the sections area. I'm going to hit add new, and I'm just going to call this markets, and it's going to create a URL that says markets. In my title, I want it to be top level there. And in FlipperSD, you can create different section types. For the purpose of this video, I am just going to select redirect section, which will redirect to a section or a web address. In our case, it's going to be a web address, and I'm going to hit save. And here I'll have the redirect elements. You can choose an internal page if that's what you're trying to accomplish with the redirect. Obviously, for my purposes, I want to go external. So I am going to paste my URL. And I'm just going to test it real quick. And yes, it works. It's going to take me to NASDAQ, to the latest price and chart for coffee. And then now that I know that that works, I am going to hit save. And now when I reload this, you'll see a markets page up there. And there it is. So when I click this, it's going to take me to NASDAQ so I can see the charts there, etc. So you can do this for any external page. The reason, or one of the benefits of doing it this way, is that if you want to have an external link from your top level navigation, or even a sub level category or page, you can just create a redirect section in FlipperSD, and that will become a link to go externally to wherever you want it to go. And that is how easy it is to create a redirect section in FlipperSD CMS. I hope this video has been beneficial. Thank you for watching. And if you want to learn more about our services and products in our company, you can visit our website at penpublishing.com. If you are on Facebook or Twitter, you can find us there, like like our page or follow us there. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel, and you can see the latest videos as we release them. Thank you, and until next time.